How to use Airbnb filters. To use Airbnb filters, first you need to enter your basic search information, destination, date, guest, and click the filter option. So you want to first of all open the app, and you click on the search at your start, and then select the location where you want to go with. Then here you have to go ahead and look for the reservation. So click on reserve if you like the place, and you want to go ahead and look in for the information, right? So when you do this, you could just go ahead and click on the filter option located right in between. So when you click on filters, then you could go ahead and find out the options available. So you could then go ahead and tap or choose between a private room, entire room, and other options as well. You could also set a maximum or minimum price per night. You could also specify the number of bedroom, beds, and bathroom that you need, and select the specific features like kitchen, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, or swimming pool as well. So you could go ahead and filter it out and then select the specific features available, and this is how you could use Airbnb filter. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.